Diagrams.net application can be downloaded onto your computer and installed as a desktop software as well. So over here, I am in the homepage of Diagrams.net, and over here you can see download is an option. So if I were to go around and click on the download button right here, then it redirects me onto its GitHub page. And depending on your operating system, that is a Windows installer or like macOS or Linux, you can go around and choose the installer or a direct running application by choosing no installer. So I'm just going to go around and select Windows installer right here because I am using Windows operating system. And on my desktop, I'm just going to go around and save this installation file right here. And you can see that draw.io installer pops up right here. Draw.io is the old name for Diagrams.net. So Diagrams.net has been renamed from draw.io initially as well. And you can see that it is there in GitHub with the same name at the time of the recording right here. So you can see that it is downloading right here, and once it completes downloading, you can go around and straight ahead install it on your computer. So I'm just going to go around and click on it right here to open it up. So let me just go around over here, and you can see that it opens it up, shows it as draw.io, which is basically Diagrams.net application. And if you were to go around over here and install it, you can see that it installs the application out right here. So it says, please wait while draw.io is being installed. And what happens is that this is what you have. So it says run draw.io now. And if I were to click on finish, then what happens is that the application will start up. And now you can see that it shows up as Diagrams.net right here with the same settings like create new diagram, open existing diagram, and so forth. So if I were to click on open diagram right here, this is what you have, as you can see. So now if I were to click on create, you can see that it directly opens up the Diagrams.net right here. So all of the features that you see in the Diagrams.net web version is what you see over here as well. So this so the application is the same. So no matter like what version you use, you get access to the same tools. So that is how you can download and install a Diagrams.net application inside of your computer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.